How's it going, everybody? So we're back. In the last video, we got the wideband hooked up. Looks like it's working great. So now, before we can go out and do like a data log and tune and figure out where we're at with the car, we got the HP tuners hooked up. We got the ProLink plugged in. I want to go ahead and replace the pins and the pad brackets on the rear brakes, because I didn't do that with the front brakes. Or I did that with the front brakes, but I didn't do it at the same time. So I'm going to go ahead and get that done. And then I think I'm also going to take the cutout off, the block off plate, just take that plate off and see what this puppy sounds like without that on there, and decide whether or not I want to get a different axle back exhaust or just get the electric cutout. So I think that's going to be on today's list, and then we can drive it. So let's get to it. So for the rear pins, we've got Raybestos H5075. So those will be our pins. Let's see, we still got H16104, and that's our boots. as a pad installation kit, we've got the Carlson P750, and part number is 300 750. So that should be the upper spring and the pad clips. Alright, well, now that the brakes are done, I'm going to go ahead and take this guy off and see what this thing sounds like with the cutout open, and figure out whether or not I want to put an electric cutout on this puppy, because I think I do. But yeah, let's do that. I'm just going to unbolt that, and then we'll see what it sounds like.